is question of circular measure. In the diagram, ABC is a semicircle with the diameter AC, center O, and the radius 6. The length of the arc AB is given 15 as shown the diagram, and the point X is on AC and BX is perpendicular. So the complete information is given. Find the perimeter of the shaded. Perimeter of the shaded means this length plus this length plus this length is the perimeter. So perimeter is the length BX plus XC plus arc length BC. This is the perimeter, outer surface, perimeter of the shaded region. Shading is here. So we have 6, the arc length is given. So the start can be like this, angle AOB. Let us find this angle first. This angle first. This is 6 centimeter because the radius. So I can use S equals to R theta. S equals to R theta. So arc length AB is given. AB arc length is given. So S is equals to R theta means the arc length, which is 15, is equal to R, which is 6. So the arc length AB is given as 15. Radius is equals to 6. And I'm looking for this angle, which is angle AOB. Angle AOB. So 6 into theta, angle AOB. So angle AOB as equals to R theta is 15 over 6. So AOB is 15 over 6, which is in decimals 2.5. So this is 2.5 radians. This is 2.5 radians. If this is 2.5 radians, the total we know is pi. So this is pi minus 2.5, this angle. This angle, which is angle BOC. So therefore, angle BOC is equals to pi minus 2.5. BOC, this angle is so pi minus 2.5. You can label this as theta. So say this is theta. This is theta. Question is the perimeter. So you can find quickly the lengths. So first you can find the BC arc length. So simple. So using the formula S equals to R theta. This is for the reference. S is the arc length. Arc length is BC. Radius is 6. Radius is 6. And then theta is this angle. S equals to R theta means BC arc length. BC arc length is the radius, which is 6, and pi minus 2.5. So, which you can write in decimals as 3.8496. You can verify. So this is number 1. So yes, you have the arc length BC. Next, we need the length BX. BX from the triangle OBX. So this is the triangle OBX. From the triangle OBX, this angle is given, this hypotenuse is given, the angle is 90 degree. You can find this length. Also, you can find the length OX. Let's find BX first. So what is BX over from right angled triangle BOX. Right angled triangle BOX. BX over OB is sine of the angle theta. Theta is pi minus 2.5. And BXOB is 6 is equals to sine of and bx is equals to 6 sine of pi. So use the radian mode of the calculator, and this bx is coming as 3.6 sine of bracket pi minus 2.5, or you can use this in decimals, it's up to you. 3.5908. This is the length bx. Also from the same triangle, find ox. Find ox. Because then finally this length can be obtained by subtracting this ox from the total 6, which is oc. Ox over ob. Also ox over ob is equals to, this is now cos of pi minus 2.5. So again ox, ob is 6, you can cross multiply cos of pi minus 2.5. So this ox is 6 cos of pi minus 2.5. Again, radian mode of the calculator. 6 cos of pi minus 2.5 is 4.8069. And finally, the length which we are looking for, the length xc. The length xc, the length xc is equal to the total, which is 6 minus, or you can write here the total, which is OC minus OX. OC minus OX. OC minus OX. OC is the radius, which is 6 given, and 4.8069. So 6 minus 4.8069 is equal to XC is equals to 1.1931. And yes, this is 3. And finally, perimeter of the shaded region BXC is equal to, as I wrote here, this is the sum of features, BX plus XC plus BC. As the perimeter is 3.84 BC, BX, BC, BX, XC. BC was 3.8496. 3.8496. 3.8496. BX is 3.5908 plus 1. XC length 1931. And by adding these, it is equals to 8.6308, 8.63. This is answer centimeters. Correct to 3 significant figures. The answer for the perimeter of the shaded region.